We've transformed the lives of many men and women living in the GTA, helping them not just regrow their hair, but maintain it as long as possible. At our clinic, we use a combination of science and research data-backed strategies for hair regrowth, including the highest quality patented technology. We also incorporate the state-of-the-art treatment that revitalizes your hair at the cellular level. This innovative approach naturally enhances the health and vitality of your hair follicles, promoting fuller and more vibrant hair growth without having to resort to a hair transplant. Our approach is personalized and based on the latest research. This ensures that each client receives the most effective treatment designed specifically for their unique hair loss situation. What makes us different? Well, first, we recognize that hair loss is caused by different triggers in each individual, and those causes are different from person to person. Therefore, each treatment plan requires a customized approach that tackles each individual's triggers that causes their hair loss. At other clinics, you can expect a generic one-size-fits-all approach to hair loss, which doesn't end up working for majority of the people because their root cause for hair loss is never addressed. Secondly, our hair specialists are not just service providers. They are highly educated medical experts equipped with the latest knowledge and tools to address the unique causes of your hair thinning and fallout. Therefore, we create a unique and customized hair regrowth plan just for you. During your search for hair loss solutions, you might have come across products promising to regrow your hair. The industry is filled with gimmicky products that simply do not work. During your search, you also probably saw other clinics offer hair loss treatments at low prices and huge discounts. How come they charge such low prices versus other clinics for what seems to be the same service? The answer often lies in compromising quality and outdated approaches. To cut costs, they may use cheap quality products and underinvest in staff training. These compromises can lead to treatments that are ineffective at best and often causing further hair loss because their generic approach was targeted towards already weakened hair follicle. Be cautious when considering clinics that offer a broad range of services without specifically focusing and specializing in hair loss. The reason why you want a clinic that specializes in hair loss is because effective hair restoration requires a specialized understanding and expertise due to its complex nature. Unfortunately, technicians at less specialized clinics generally do not get the necessary training or depth of knowledge required for great results. Many clinics that focus on other services often do not invest their time, energy, or resources into the latest hair restoration solutions because it's expensive and time-consuming for them. This can lead to doing treatments that produce mediocre results instead of great results had they gone with most updated treatments and technology. Here at CADMEN, hair loss and regrowth is our main service. This means this is what we do day in and day out. This is what our main focus is. This is where the majority of our resources and training is invested in, so that we can deliver to the best of our ability. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all solution. Each client receives a customized treatment plan designed to target their specific hair loss causes, using only the highest quality procedures, technology, and products. At the same time, we make the entire journey as easy as possible, affordable, and efficient because we value your time. We understand that hair loss can be more than just a physical issue. It can deeply affect your confidence and emotional well-being. While every person's hair growth journey is unique, our dedicated specialists do our best to tailor a custom treatment for you that offers the best possible improvement in hair fullness and health, so that you can feel confident and great. While individual results always vary, our goal is always to achieve the most favorable outcome for each client. Join many happy clients who have found their solution to hair regrowth with us. We look forward to being a part of your journey.